Hello and welcome. This is Share Knowledge. I would like to share a concept on abundance and meditation. I would like you to listen very closely to the words I'm going to use and the concepts that I want to communicate. This is a gift to you from Fishing Lakshmi at Mind Valley. Fishing is a good friend of mine. He asked me to share this with you. I want you to think of the abundance that you're surrounded by. Everywhere you look, you'll see abundance. There's abundance of trees, of leaves, the grass, animals in the forest, of the birds in the trees. Everywhere you look is absolute abundance. The only limit in our life is the limit in our own thinking, the limit that we place on our imagination. I want you to stop and take a look at your life. And take a look at yourself and realize that you're God's highest form of creation. Young man's chief delusion is his conviction that there are causes other than his own state of consciousness. All that befalls a person, all that is done by him, all that comes from him happens as a result of his state of consciousness. As you get involved in this meditation, your mind is going to go to beautiful places and understand anything you can see on the screen of your mind. You can manifest in your material world. If you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. I would like you to find a quiet place to sit and let your body sink into a totally relaxed state and just hear my voice. You're nothing but my voice. Let your mind be quiet. Let your body relax. You just hear my voice. You hear nothing but my voice. Realize you're not a body. You merely live in the body. You're not your name. It's something you have. You never say I'm hand. You say my hand, my name. These are things you have. I'm going to take you from 10 down to 1. Each time I go down a number, I want you to sink deeper and deeper into a relaxed state. You will remain awake. You will not go to sleep. You'll hear my voice. You become more and more relaxed. Your body is becoming lighter and lighter. We're going into a relaxed state to be down from 10, 9, 8, 7. You're becoming very, very relaxed. Your body is becoming lighter and you just hear my voice. There's a beautiful feeling moving into every molecule of your being. Down to 6, 5, 4, and your body's becoming lighter and lighter. Lighter and later. You're more and more relaxed, totally relaxed. You just hear my voice. You hear nothing but my voice. Be down to 3, 2, and 1, and now you're totally relaxed, totally relaxed. Your body has become lighter and lighter. I want you to visualize a funnel, a huge funnel, and it's pointed right at the center of your head. There's a beautiful lavender energy flowing from space in through that funnel to and through you, and as this beautiful lavender energy flows into your consciousness, it just is visualized. This beautiful lavender energy flowing right in through the crown of your head. It's circulating through your brain. It's going into your forehead and the back of your head. It's down into the cheeks, your nose, your eyes, your mouth, your tongue, your lips. This beautiful lavender energy is a healing energy. It's a creative energy. It's pure, unadulterated, creative energy, and as it moves down through your body becomes clearer, it becomes cleansed, it becomes vibrant and alive. This beautiful energy now is moving down into your neck, through your throat, into your shoulders, down through your arms, right down to your fingertips. And you're becoming very relaxed. You just hear my voice. You are nothing but my voice. You will not go to sleep. You just listen. This beautiful lavender energy now is moving into your chest, into your upper back. It's moving down through your abdomen, and in your hips, and as this beautiful lavender energy moves through you, you become more and more relaxed. Your body becomes lighter and lighter, more and more relaxed. Your mind becomes clearer. You can feel your consciousness shift. You can feel your level of conscious awareness expand. You are living in the creative world, in the world of your imagination, where all creation begins. This beautiful lavender energy now moves into the lower part of your body and your hips, into the upper part of the legs, down through your knees, down through the lower part of the legs and your heels and your feet, and your entire body now is clear, clean, relaxed, calm, in perfect harmony with the law of vibration. You just hear my voice, and you're feeling so relaxed, so relaxed. You can feel your consciousness shift, and a feeling of abundance is filling your consciousness. You feel a love for friends and loved ones and relatives. There's a feeling of love, it's almost overwhelming, it's just filling your consciousness, and you feel an abundance of health. Every molecule of your being is becoming stronger, more alive, more in tune with the universe of which you are a very important part, a unique expression of a creative power. There's a beautiful awareness moving into your consciousness. You're totally relaxed. You become very, very light. You just hear my voice. You hear nothing but my voice. Your imagination is taking this beautiful lavender energy and is turning it into images in your mind. You are literally creating the images in your mind. The images you are creating are the preamble to the wonderful life that you're literally going to bring into material existence. I want you to imagine friendships that are so strong and loving and real. And you have this enormous desire to be a wonderful, abundant friend that you've been created to be. I want you to think of loved ones, and there's a feeling of love that supersedes anything you've ever experienced. It is happening in your mind right now as you listen to my voice. You are permitting these feelings to fill your consciousness. There's an abundance of health. Every molecule of your being is dancing in perfect harmony with the law of vibration. The law of vibration decrees that everything moves, nothing rests, and you're totally relaxed. Totally relaxed. And now you're going to, with your marvelous mind, build the kind of life you want, the business you want, the prosperity. All the things you've dreamed about are going to be originated in your mind as you choose them to be. You're so relaxed and you just hear my voice. You're nothing but my voice. Think of all the abundance that we're surrounded by. You're a part of it, and it is a part of you. We want to open our self up and receive the good that is our birthright in all aspects of our life. All the philanthropic thoughts that flow into your mind you see now as potential realities, and you know by holding these images and building strategies to execute these images in your mind in our totally relaxed state, you can see yourself going faster, accomplishing more, but always in a calm, confident state of mind. You're totally relaxed, totally relaxed. You just hear my voice. You're nothing but my voice. Realize that the abundance that you see everywhere with anyone else is available to you. This is very real. This isn't some dream. This isn't some fantasy. This is the potential reality that is yours through the proper use of your imagination. If you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. Anything you can visualize will move into form in your life. That is one of the first laws of the universe. If the perpetual transmutation of energy, it flows to you and through you as it comes into your consciousness, it has no form. You have the ability to give it form. You're living where you really want to live. You're doing what you really want to do in every aspect of your life. There's abundance. You're building bigger. You're building better, always expanding. You have this inner awareness. You're a spiritual being, and as such, spirit is always for expansion and fuller expression. There's a part of you that is growing. It's forever expanding and growing, and you're doing greater good in all of your work, in everything you do. With everyone, you have this enormous desire that increase in everyone's life. You want to leave everyone with the impression of increase. You want them to feel better because they have come in contact with you. You're developing a strong desire to listen to this frequently. You're developing a very strong desire to listen to this frequently, every day for 30 days. Every day for 30 days you will listen carefully. You will go to a quiet place and totally relaxed, and immediately move into a totally relaxed state. Your body will become lighter and lighter. You will get that you can drop yourself into this relaxed state in a millisecond, anywhere at any time. You find yourself becoming stronger, more vibrant, more alive, and at the same time becoming calmer. Calmness of mind is one of the beautiful jewels of life. You're totally relaxed, totally relaxed. This conscious awareness that you're developing are the abundance that there is abundance in every aspect of your life now is waiting to manifest, and you know you can bring it into the physical world. You know you're going to be in harmony with the law. You're going to willingly give and graciously receive. You know you're God's highest form of creation. I'm going to count from 1 to 10. Each time I count a number, you're going to feel a new energy surge in your body. The lavender energy that just seeped into every cell of your being is going to start expanding and coming alive, and you're going to feel an aliveness you have never felt before, a creativity that you've never experienced, an awareness that supersedes anything that you've ever had in the past. Your consciousness is expanding, your goodness is expanding, your awareness is expanding. Each time I caught a number, you will feel this energy within you come more and more alive. On the count of 10, you're going to open your eyes, and you're going to feel like a totally different person, and you're going to see a totally different world. And you're going to realize abundance is your birthright, and from this point on, you're going to bring it into being in your life, and you're going to assist every person you can to bring abundance into their life, because it is your birthright. You're coming up from 1 to 3. You're feeling new energy flow into every cell of your being. There's a consciousness of abundance in your consciousness that is phenomenal. It's yours. You realize it. Yours is not a dream. It's not just out there for someone else. It is yours. You are an abundant being. You have abundance in every aspect of your life. There's an abundant energy just exploding within you. You're up to 4 to 5 to 6. Just feel this phenomenal feeling. It's tingling through every cell of your being. You're so alive, so aware of this wonderful world that you are a part of. You're so relaxed. On the count of 10, you're going to open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face, and you're going to be aware of the abundance that has always been yours, and you're going to see it everywhere you look, and you're going to have a tremendous urge to express this energy in a greater way. Every idea is going to grow and expand, and you're going to become more productive, more creative. You're at 7-8. This energy is growing and it's expanding Within every cell of your being you're a 910. You're totally alive, totally alive now as you sit there, thinking of your world. I want you to realize that every word I said is truth. It's totally truth. You are an enormously powerful individual, capable of all the greatness that you visualized. I want you to get into the habit of reviewing this every day, at least once a day, maybe twice. For the next 30 days you will find that you will be able to go faster and become calmer all at the same time. You'll speed up and calm down. You're totally relaxed. Know that you are creative and now go out, can enjoy creative and now go out, can enjoy creative and now go.